I'm Lexi Hamer and I work at Marhofer Collision Center in Stow, Ohio. My biggest takeaway is definitely there's things that we're doing that I didn't even know to add on an estimate that we weren't even getting paid for. So there's definitely a lot that I can make in materials that I didn't even know I could add. I think I definitely learned a lot from you guys, especially Bob. I think it's been nice to kind of give feedback, especially when I'm at home, because there's things that I don't think about when I'm here, and then I go home and I can think about it there. So, and it's really easy. You just get the notification, then you click on it, and you can record your video. So, it makes it pretty easy.
Do you think that this training will make you more efficient and more money in the long run?
Most definitely. I'm actually really excited to go back to work and show them what I can do. I'd like to thank all of my upper management, my boss Bill, just everybody at Marhofer. They've been great, supportive. They gave me a rental to come down here, so it's been nice, supporting me completely along the way. So it's been great. Thank you guys.